What's up, Bye Smart Fam? Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of mini drones. And boy, do we have a showdown for you. In the left corner, we have the Holy Stone HS430, the mini drone that's small in size, but big on features. And in the right corner, we have the Techwonderz Drone with camera, the drone that promises to make you feel like a pro pilot. Let's get ready to rumble. All right, let's start with the first thing that usually hits our wallets the hardest: the price. The Holy Stone HS430 comes in at a friendly $77. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz Drone is sitting pretty at $129. So, if your wallet's tighter than your skinny jeans after Thanksgiving dinner, the HS430 might be your new best friend. Next up, let's talk cameras. The Holy Stone HS430 packs a 1080p camera, which is pretty sweet for capturing those epic selfies and stunning vistas. But wait, the Techwonderz Drone also has a 1080p camera, and it can rotate 90 degrees. Plus, it has dual cameras. It's like the drone equivalent of having eyes in the back of your head. So, if you want to be the Spielberg of drone photography, Techwonderz might have the edge here. Fly time is where the rubber meets the road. Or should I say, the propeller meets the sky. The Holy Stone HS430 gives you nearly 30 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's enough time to really annoy your neighbors. But the Techwonderz Drone? It boasts a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's like flying from New York to LA, if LA was in your backyard. So if you're planning a marathon drone session, Techwonderz has got you covered. Portability is a biggie, especially if you're always on the go. The Holy Stone HS430 can fit in the palm of your hand when folded. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, compact but packs a punch. Techwonderz, on the other hand, didn't brag about its size, so we can only assume it's slightly bigger. If you want a drone that can hide in your pocket like a ninja, Holy Stone's the way to go. Now, let's get to the fun stuff. The Holy Stone HS430 is loaded with cool features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, voice control, gesture control, and even a mode where you can throw it to start flying. It's like a drone and a circus act all rolled into one. But Techwonderz isn't slacking either. It has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, FPV transmission, and even a follow me mode. It's like having a loyal pet, minus the fur. For all you beginners out there, ease of use is crucial. The Holy Stone HS430 has headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch to make your first flights smoother than a buttered-up slip and slide. Techwonderz, on the other hand, offers optical flow positioning and altitude hold, making it as steady as a hummingbird. Plus, it has one key takeoff, landing, and emergency stop. It's like the training wheels of the drone world. Based on Amazon reviews, the Holy Stone HS430 is praised for its ease of setup, good camera quality, and value for money. Users appreciate its versatility and extended flight time with multiple batteries, though some note it can be a bit loud. On the other hand, the Techwonderz Drone receives high marks for its great picture quality, ease of use, and lightweight design. Reviewers love its compact nature and the satisfaction it brings, especially for beginners. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS430 and the Techwonderz Drone with camera both bring their A-game. If you're on a budget and need something ultra-portable, the HS430 is your go-to. But if you're looking for longer flight times and more advanced features, Techwonderz might just be worth the extra bucks. Either way, both drones are ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you in the next video.